If you've ever wished you could make money even while you're sleeping, then listen up. Because today I'm showing you AI tools that can work 24/7, earn passively, and help you create automated income streams. These aren't get-rich-quick tricks. These are real tools used by entrepreneurs, freelancers, and creators to make money around the clock. Let's get into it. The first tool is Jasper AI, paired with a landing page builder like ClickFunnels. Jasper can write full landing pages, product descriptions, email sequences, ad copy, and sales messages instantly. This is how people create automated digital product funnels, even if they don't know how to write or code. Here's the income part. You can create digital guides, ebooks, cheat sheets, or templates using AI. Upload them to a funnel and let the system sell them 24/7. Jasper writes everything for you: the product, the marketing emails, the sales page, the social media content. Your funnel can run automatically even while you're asleep. The second tool is Pictory.ai, a text-to-video generator that lets you create content while doing nothing. Here's how people make money with it. You copy a blog post, script, or article, paste it into Pictory, and it automatically finds footage, creates scenes, adds captions, and builds a full video. Then you upload the videos to YouTube, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, TikTok, Pinterest. Some creators post 5 to 10 videos per day using AI alone. More videos equals more views, equals more ad revenue, affiliate sales, and brand sponsorships. The best part? Once the video is posted, it can keep earning money long after you made it. Tool number 3 is the combo of Midjourney plus Printify. Midjourney generates artwork, designs, and graphics. Printify prints and ships those designs on products like shirts, hoodies, water bottles, notebooks, wall art, mugs. You never touch inventory. You never handle shipping. When someone buys your product, Printify handles everything. You collect profit. Here's the while you sleep part. You upload your AI-generated designs to an Etsy shop or Shopify store. People buy them any time of the day, anywhere in the world. Your store works even when you're not awake. Tool number 4 is ChatGPT, but not for scripts. For blog automation. Using ChatGPT, you can create articles, list posts, reviews, how-to guides, niche websites. Pair this with Google AdSense, Ezoic, or Mediavine, and you have a site that earns from ads every time someone views your content. A single blog post can bring in traffic for months or even years, and ChatGPT lets you make 100+ blog posts in a fraction of the time. It's one of the most underrated passive income plays online. Finally, tool number 5 is ElevenLabs. This AI tool creates professional voiceovers without you recording anything. Here's why that matters. You can produce audiobooks, guided meditations, motivational audio, bedtime stories, podcast episodes, language learning audio. Upload them to platforms like Audible, YouTube, Spotify, Gumroad, your own website. Once uploaded, these audio files can bring income long after you've created them. AI does the talking. You get the earnings. These are just a few examples of AI tools that can help you make money even while you're sleeping. Whether it's digital products, videos, artwork, or audio content, automation is the key to building real passive income in 2025 and 2026. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment AI Money below.